Hi, Rhett here with IndySoft, and today we're going to be going over how to get over a failed upgrade for whatever reason, database-wise. So let's say, for example, you're running the very next version of IndySoft client. You upgrade your database. Maybe someone was in the database at the time, something failed, but it did go all the way through. So in those cases, it's usually a pretty easy way to fix that. We're going to run in our IndySoft directory the Insuccessful program. This is what handles your actual database upgrade, and you'll see it come up and basically confirm your connection settings, which I'm going to do here. This is an SSQL 2-tier connection. I'm going to log in as an administrator, since only an administrator can do this function. And you'll see here that it is basically version 8.3 to 8.3, so there's nothing to be done. Now, if I had gone from 8.2 to 8.3, it got some errors, but yet it still went to conclusion, then in that point, the database thinks that it's upgraded correctly. If you were in that scenario and you know that maybe there was someone else using the database and something failed, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner here the select override version. And in this list, it basically lists every major version we've had for the last 15 or 20 years. So you can basically move to the current. So in the case that I just stated, you had 8.3 that failed. I can say, let's just assume for now back at 8.3. Sorry, not 8.3. We want to go to 8.2. And now, if I expand this, it's going to show me what's being executed. I hit start. And there we go. So it's going to retry that 8.2 to 8.3 process. Now in this case, it says it completed, but there were errors. I can hit OK and see what those are. This would normally be very common on a rerun if it was able to accomplish certain things before. You'll see here, for example, an error occurred. Column name must be unique. So that means it's already been added. So, but at the same time, this if I was in that situation where not everything ran correctly, this would, in theory, catch all those and then get you truly called up. Generally, this is a more advanced feature that support would help you through, but it's good to know kind of how that works. All right, thank you.